HV17s with Casey and the Sunshine Band, and that's the way, I like it. If you'd like to make life a little more exciting this autumn and winter, we could help you with that, I think. I've got some rather important information to share with you soon from HV17s.
Feeling so high must be the season when that love light shines all around.